Hello, today we're going to be looking at dry skin brushing. Dry skin brush. So a natural bristle brush or an exfoliating mitt or an exfoliating sponge. Some of them have these knobbly bits on the back, that's optional. The purpose of the dry skin brushing is to stimulate the flow of our lymph. So lymph is a network of vessels throughout the whole body. Wherever we have veins and arteries, we also have lymph as well. And the flow of the lymph is towards the heart. So from all over our body, the lymph is flowing towards our heart. And it's a really important part of our immune system. There are certain folding, bending parts of the body where we get lymph nodes. Knees and so on, and these are places that kind of they monitor the lymph flowing through and send messages. Oh, we need some antibodies to cope with this, or we need antibodies to cope with that. And the flow is towards the heart. The thymus gland sits behind the breastbone, and that's a very important part of the immune system as well, where it makes particular immune cell bodies, immunocytes, T bodies, T cells, T for thymus. So we're going to be dry skin brushing, and it is important that our skin is dry. So you would do this first thing in the morning before your shower, or first thing in the morning before you put on your exercise gear to go for a walk or a cycle ride or a workout. If your skin is hot and sweaty and clammy, it is a completely horrible feeling. Take it from me. I mean, try it, but trust me, it's horrible. Your skin really does need to be dry. So long, slow strokes up towards the heart. Some people suggest you do it actually in the shower, because then the dry skin cells that flake off will just go into the shower and get washed away. Some people might find that a bit tricky, might not be enough room, they can't bend. So in which case I was in the bathroom but resting your foot on the cover of your loo seat or the edge of your bath. So I will demonstrate now. So you start with your brushings on your toes, and then you're brushing up your feet. I tend to do little circular movements at joint points. That's working. Otherwise, it's long, slow strokes up your skin. Not your leggings, this is just for demonstration purposes. So long, slow strokes. If you're new to it, I would take it quite gently. Round my knees, both ways. Long strokes up towards the hips, towards the groin. Make sure you do the back of the legs. And up, we'll do the other side. So round the toes, stroking up the foot, round on the ankle bone, and then long, slow strokes up your legs, round your knee, up the thigh, towards your hips, and the back of the thigh, inside the thigh, and then buttocks, just round and round, and then finishing upwards, so round and round both ways in the buttocks, finishing upwards. You can take a little bit more time in this. You're not aiming to get the skin red, but just feeling it's being gently stimulated. I like to do circular movements on the belly, both little round movements and also big clockwise movements. But you can always finish with, again, coming up. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice. And then obviously gently around your nipple or bosom area. You might need to hold on to bits of you while you're negotiating. I probably wouldn't be very, I wouldn't dry skin brush the nipple. It's a bit too sensitive. So round on both sides, and then coming up your arms, so back of the hand, up the tanned part of the arm, and the backs of the arms. Strange at both back of the arms and backs of the thighs, back of the upper arm, back of the thigh. These little bumpy bits. So this is great for that. And then up the more tender skin at the front. So back of the hand, up the more tanned part of your arm, back of the arm, and then palm, coming up the paler, tender skin, a little bit round on the elbows, elbow there. So, and then you're coming down the neck, down the sides of the neck. And obviously when you have, your glands up. So say if you have mumps or something, the glands here come up. So if you feel that you're fighting an infection, this is a really good thing to do. And then your chin. And then a bit like the body patting that we've done. So it's massaging your scalp. And obviously take your glasses off, but kind of flutter your face. It's all good for the lymph. And then we focus on the places where the lymph nodes can gather. It feels slightly strange, but it's quite fun. We start with the soles of the feet. So circular movements on the soles of the feet. And then behind the knees. And then in the groin. And then in the elbow. Then in the armpit. That's pleasant but weird. So there we are. And then we finish up with, because I've got buttons, but you dry skin and brush up and down your breastbone. With the thymus is behind that. And that's just it's a lovely waking up kind of feeling. So great to do it in the morning to help wake you up. Not best done not in the evening, unless of course you're a shift worker and you're having your late afternoon shower ready to go to work for your evening and night shift. This would be a great thing to do to help wake you up. So there we are, dry skin brushing. I hope you're well. If you would like to see more of these videos with exercises, health tips, recipes, cooking ideas, there is a subscribe button down there. And I'll see you again soon. So thanks for watching. Keep well. Bye now.